This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by Kathy Stinson. Fantastic opportunity to purchase this 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-story home located in the Autumn Run subdivision and situated on a large cul-de-sac lot with a huge backyard. Updated kitchen with gas cooking that is open to the living room with a beautiful fireplace and ceiling fan. Gorgeous tile flooring throughout the first floor. Large master bedroom located on the first floor with updated vanity and shower with separate garden tub. This home offers a formal dining room just off the kitchen as well as a breakfast room overlooking the humongous backyard. Zones to great Cy-Fair ISD schools and close to churches, shopping and major highways for easy commuting. For more information, review the details below or contact Kathy Stinson at 281